or JIRA to save you time. Brainstorming user stories. 10 user stories, you can ask ChatGPT to expand on them, or you can use them as a second GQL search. And it gives the query that you can just copy and paste to modify the query. Third one is write test cases. You can give it feature name, context. It gives you all the positive and negative scenarios. Verify that this is what you wanted. You can notifications. There are JIRA notifications, and if you have ChatGPT gives you the strategies for managing these high level of notification, review, and cleanup. You can also use it to ask for anything that you don't know. For example, what are JIRA filters, how to create it, how to save them, how to use them efficiently, and how to combine the filters. Because I asked for examples, it also gives you examples of efficient uses of JIRA filters.